Alright guys, so on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use that viral sad filter on TikTok. Now, you can't get the actual filter on TikTok, you have to get it from Snapchat. So open up Snapchat. And from the record button, there's a smiley face next to it. Go ahead and click on that. And go ahead and explore. Do an explore. And type in crying. And the first one right there, which is the best one, click on that. As you can see, it automatically making me cry. So all you gotta do is record it. Okay, now once you record it, go ahead and save it to your camera roll. I'm gonna go ahead and save it. Okay, now it's saved. Now go to your camera roll. As you can see, it's right there. Now all you gotta do is go to TikTok. Okay. Go to TikTok and go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and upload it here. So there it is, guys. That's how to get that sad filter on TikTok. I'm pretty sure sooner or later TikTok will have that filter, because right now it's really popular and it's only available on Snapchat. Anyways, hope that helps out everyone, and have a good day.